Oh, it's a big one. Got a big one. Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on the video. Man, it's a crazy windy day today, and I've been waiting all week though to go fishing, so decided I'm gonna do it today, even though there's lots of wind. So stay tuned, hope to be able to show you some fish here. Well, the story goes that when all the pink petals have fallen off the fireweed, that fall and winter are near. Judge for yourself. I think it's right. Well, no bites yet, so gonna switch it up. Classic red and white, so let's see how this goes. I got one. Yes, sir, got one on. Oh, it's a big one. Got a big one. Oh yes. Oh, he snagged.
Oh yeah?
I don't know if he bit it. Can you get him in the net? Can you get him in the net there? Oh, maybe he bit it. Ho ho! Oh my! Oh! Oh wow!
Oh, look at that!
That's a nice one.
Nice, man!
Oh,
Wow!
that's a big fish. Wow! Unbelievable.
Yeah!
No, man, that's a
Oh, wow!
that's a big one. Look at the big head.
Yeah! Oh, man!
I just put that stuff on and
It works!
it does.
Hey,
Wow.
look at that!
That's a heavy one.
Wow.
I gotta go show, I got the I got the camera rolling here.
Okay.
Whoa, look at this one.
Nice.
Wow. I can't even, this is a beast. He's a beast, man. Your turn now.
Yeah.
Look at this.
You're gonna get one.
Look at this guy. Unbelievable, folks. I just cannot believe this. I cannot. This is a nice fish. This is one of the biggest. He's so heavy too. One of the biggest I've caught. And I got to take the hook off here, but he hit pretty hard and he hit heavy, and he is just a tank, man. Not a record book, but this is one of my biggest trout that I have ever caught. Biggest at this spot for sure. That's why we come. That's why we come. Isn't that awesome? Let's get to see if I can see what I did with my pliers. Oh, here they are. Unbelievable. Look at the size of that mouth. Look at that mouth. It's like a shark. Those big teeth, sharp too. Unbelievable. Wow. Such a fish. What a beauty. Lots of good dinners off of this guy. All right, let's check out this monster. Unbelievable, it's a nice one. He's pretty amazing. I don't usually use attractant, but I just put this stuff on. You saw that red and white, and first cast, this guy bit. So I don't know. I'm gonna try again. Same hook, Berkeley power bait. So anyway, well, day's going really good so far, and most days like this you can't fish in certain spots, but except in certain spots. And so there's a spot that we're at here that's this little cove. It's protected. I'll put a clip in of that, and it's protected by the wind because of this esker. You can see behind me there's this esker, and so it works really well to just protect us. And if we had to cast into this wind, it would be brutal. There's no way we could. There's some spots of probably other good fishing, but no way we could cast. So, oh, I think I got one. He's pulling pretty good. There we go. Oh, he wants to fight. Not as heavy as that first one, but close. Oh, he went right under you. Here, I'll get him. I'll just bring him up.
Okay.
That's okay, thanks, man. Oh yeah.
That's pretty good size too.
That's about the size of yours, eh? Oh, some geese too. Oh, look at that. Whoa, look at all the geese. Wow, cool. Well, folks, hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Super windy day. I think it's been gusting to about 60 or 70 kilometers an hour, but turned into a great day. Catching those 2 fish and including my PB, I think my personal best trout ever. I weighed it. I think it was just about 15.5 pounds approximately, and 38 3/4 inches. So nice hog, nice hog. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you next time here on New Man Explore. Looks like my friend just caught one. Awesome. There you go, man.
Maybe smaller than yours, better than nothing.
Oh yeah. A fish is a fish, man.
Yeah, fish is a fish.
That's awesome. You got him.